I just want to do a real quick update here. This no idling situation was bugging the shit out of me. So, I got back into it a little bit here today, and I fixed every single problem this tractor has or ever had. I fixed it last night. You're gonna like how I did it too. I'll show you in a different video. But anywho, everything that was ever wrong with this now solved. And the last thing I wanted to do to it today was fix this idling situation. I threw a spring on. Just drilled a hole in the tang here and put a spring on it. That solved it. That's all it took. Idle's fine now. Problem solved. So yep, I am done with this for well, yeah, forever, because I fixed it so good last night. This one's now for sale. $200. Anybody who wants it, let me know.